Let's learn how to fix you have been blocked on Discord. If you want to know how to fix you have been blocked on Discord, then follow this step-by-step video till the end. Many people are facing this problem, so don't worry, it's not your fault. You might have to wait for it to fix itself. But in the meantime, I will give you some methods you can try to fix it. If these don't work, just wait, and it will be unblocked eventually. Method 1. Check for updates. Go to the search and type in check for updates. Click on it and check for any updates available. Then install any updates you find. Method 2. Turn off the firewall. Go to search again and type in firewall and network protection. Click on it and choose domain network. Then turn off the Microsoft Defender firewall. See if this helps. Method 3. Remove extensions. If you're using Discord in your browser, click on the free.net at the top right. Go to Extensions and Manage Extensions. Remove any strange or unnecessary extensions. Also, clear your browsing data by clicking on the three dots. Then, History and Clear Browsing Data. Select everything, including cookies and cache, and clear it. Next, check Browser Updates. Make sure your web browser is fully updated. Restart your web browser or your computer after trying these methods. Click on Restart, not Shut Down. If none of these methods work, just wait it out because many others are experiencing the same issue. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe and like the video.